Well, hello, Clayton County. This is Ryan O'Donnell. I'm sitting here on Tuesday evening. I had a couple of the sessions ask me about the divided image strategy that we did, and I know things went kind of real fast, and some of them asked if we had if there was a tutorial that I could create. And I've done these in the past, and I thought this may be something that you guys could appreciate. So I thought I would show you that divided image strategy and how to be able to do that in PowerPoint using animation. So I'll do this is just a quick little video tutorial. I'm hopefully going to be able to finish this and put it up on YouTube and share with you guys for tomorrow. So I'm going to use that same image that we started with, the one that we used in class called the strike. And I think I let you guys know that I'm a big fan of the image. I think it's something that's lends itself to being a divided image. Remember when I talked to you guys this afternoon, the two things that you really need to pay attention to when you do these, and I'll write them down here on the bottom, is when you do these, is the first thing is that you really need to find an appropriate image. And this may take time, that you really need to find something that's really going to correspond with what you're doing. Okay, because not everything will really lend itself to be able to be divided up like this. And then the second thing is know the material, that you need to be well versed in it. Lead those kind of, I think I mentioned to a lot of the groups, the idea of those breadcrumb kind of questions. Okay, walk those students through. You know what you're trying to get them to do, so give those questions. Don't necessarily give them the answers. Okay, so how do we do this? As I showed you guys in class, we're going to go up here to the Insert in PowerPoint, and we're going to look under Shapes. And you could choose different shapes. The ones that I did on that new deal, I used the oval, but the generic ones, we're just going to click the rectangle. And think about you're going to cover up the one that you want to eliminate, what you want to show up first. So we're going to get rid of the guy with the rock, the kid running from the outside, and the gentleman with the square hat who's got his palms up. So I'm going to let go of that, and it's that light default blue color. I'm going to go up here on the top and click on Format and change the color there. So now I'm going to go to Shape Fill and click on Black. Change my outline also to black. And now here's the important part, the effect. Add effect, not entrance, but we're going to go to Exit and pick an exit for it to go away. And now it's gone. Then what we're going to do is we're going to copy this thing. So right click Copy. Then I'm going to right click and go to Paste. Now I'm going to move that up here. Now you can see the animation, it shows you here. Here's number 1. The second thing that will be animated will be there, number 2. I'm going to layer this rectangle like that. Good. Now I'm going to paste again. If you notice, this rectangle is now numbered. You can see here in the corner, number 3. So now I'm going to take this one and cover up the top half, making sure that I leave the guy in the red shirt off, but I'm getting the factory owner with the top hat and the city landscape on the top. And then the final one I'll paste one more time to get my fourth one for the bottom left corner. Paste. I'm going to move that to cover up, and we can see here now we're covering up the woman with the 2 kids, the leader of this strike, and then the husband and wife who are having their debate about what he should do, and cover up that one. The last thing I'm going to do on this one is take the title. And on this title, what we're going to do is I want to animate the title, and this one I want to add the effect, and this one I want it to come in, and I want this last afterwards to ultimately give the feeling, give the answer to the of what the name of it is. So when we go put ourselves into slideshow mode, it appears black. We click 1. There's the 3, the boy, the rock. Palms up. The second one comes the factory. Third one comes the landscape and the factory owner. And our final one, that aha moment, is the 3. 1, 2, and 3. Hope this helped for you guys. And if you got any questions, feel free to give me an email, ryanod52@gmail.com. I'm glad to have the opportunity to work with you all. Take care.